Yes, I think these are challenging times. I find that I'm making a lot of comfort food. And one of my favorite comfort foods is scalloped potatoes. It makes everything so much better to have scalloped potatoes. I'm starting with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm setting the burner on medium heat. Now, just as the butter's beginning to brown, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. Just by the spoonful like this. And I'm stirring it to make it smooth. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, stirring again. And now a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. You can use milk, cream for this, as it's called, a roux. This is going to be the yummy thickening sauce for my scalloped potatoes. Turning the heat off, I'm just going to stir this until it's nice and smooth. And then another 1/2 cup of milk. Stirring again to blend. Now I'm just going to whisk this a little bit. I've turned the heat off and I just want to blend it now. Nice and smooth. I'm going to set this aside. Now I'm going to peel some potatoes. Enough to make 4 cups. A mandolin is really easy for slicing your potatoes. If not, just take a knife and do it by hand. That's about 4½ cups of potatoes. Beautifully sliced. I'm preheating my toaster oven to 350. Adding the sauce now. And mixing this up really well. Covering with foil. Popping the potatoes into the toaster oven. That was 45 minutes at 350, and what I'm going to do now, I have uncovered the scalloped potatoes and I'm just going to leave it to bake for another 10 minutes to brown the top. In less than an hour, I have one of my favorite comfort foods, scalloped potatoes. Beautifully done in the toaster oven. And by the way, get my cookbook, Pop It in the Toaster Oven, which you can buy anywhere. 250 wonderful recipes for the toaster oven, making your favorite comfort food just like this. Wonderful comfort. We need that. What's comfortable for you? What kind of food can you make to give you a sense of peace and comfort in this time of chaos? Cooking can do that. Your toaster oven can help. Cook your favorite comfort food and stay safe.